This video, we're going to talk about plotting uh, polar coordinates. So what you need to know about polar coordinates is that they are not rectangular coordinates. They are not in the form of x, y, but they are in the form of r theta. R is a distance, like the radius of a circle. You see a bunch of concentric circles here. So R tells you which of these circles you are on. Theta tells you the direction of travel, where 0 degrees is on the positive x-axis, pi over 2 is on the positive y-axis, and so on, like you're used to from your unit circle. So I actually recommend that you look at the direction first and face in that direction. So if we were standing at the pole, which is what we call the origin here, and we were facing toward in the direction of pi over 3, we're on this line right here that goes between B and D. And then I'm standing at the pole and I want to walk backwards. When I'm facing this way, I want to walk backwards 3 units. I'm going to get to D because it's a -3. So if we have a positive R value, we walk in the direction of theta. If we have a negative R value, we walk in the opposite direction of theta. So -5 pi over 3, we're again going to be facing in the same direction of pi over 3. We've just gone around clockwise to get there. And we're looking towards B. And we're going to walk forward towards B. And 1, 2, 3, we're going to be at B. Now we're at -pi over 3. So we're looking towards C and we walk backwards 3, 2, 3, and we're at A. Now we're going to have to graph this point. We're at -pi over 4, +2. So we're going to be right there at a -45-degree angle to -pi over 4 is right there. 4 or 5 pi over 4. So we're going to go counterclockwise. 5 pi over 4 is going to be in quadrant 3. And we are right here at this 45-degree angle here. So 4, 5 pi over 4. Which is plotting. We're not given additional names for it. All right. -3 pi over 4. So is also in quadrant 3. But we're going to be looking towards quadrant 3, but we're going to walk away from it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We're actually up here in quadrant 1. -5 pi over 4. And then +4 up here in quadrant 2. +5 pi over 4, -2. Looking in the direction of 30 degrees and walking 1, 2, 3, 4. Normally your theta value is going to be in radians. Very rarely are they going to give it to you in degrees like this, but 225, 1, 2, 3, 4. 135 and negative 1, 2, 3, 4. -45 negative 2. And 45 degrees 2. 7 pi over 6 is a 30-degree reference angle down here in quadrant 3. Go 1, 2, 3. R is 2, 0 degrees for theta. Same thing if theta is 360 degrees. Negative pi over 4, negative 3. That. We're going to look in the direction of 5 pi over 3, which is pi over 3 away from 2 pi. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's down here. And that's it. When we come back next time, we're actually going to convert points from polar to rectangular, and then we'll come back after that and we'll convert from rectangular to polar.